Hello everyone, welcome to Jinghua Education. I'm Steven. In this video, we're going to talk about the linear function part 13, general forms. Okay, we need to learn how to convert general forms to a graph and then convert a graph to a general forms. Okay, for graphing a general forms, you don't have to convert it into slope point forms or slope intercept forms. Basically, we can use the we can use y-intercept method to graph a functions. How to do that? First things we're making x equal to zeros. We're making x equal to 0 to find the y-intercept. Y-intercept x equal to 0. Okay? If we're making x equal to 0, negative 8y equal to 56. Okay? If you making x equal to 0 here, this is become negative 8y, moving negative 56 to the other side, which is negative 8y equal to 56, and then y equal to negative 7. Okay, and the other one is x-intercept. X-intercept, we're making y equal to 0. Okay, so y equal to 0 here, 7x equal to 56. Okay, 7x minus 0, this part is gone, minus 56. We're moving 56 to the other side, will be 7x equal to 56, and then x equal to 8. So we got y-intercept, x-intercept. Y-intercept on the y-axis, so negative 7, which is here 10, 9, 8, 7, this part. And then the other one is x-intercept, x equal to 8, so which is this part here. Okay, and then we connect these 2 points. Oh, sorry about that. And then we're done. Okay, good. All right, the next one. So let's remove this and do again. Okay, this is hard to draw a straight line on the panel. Okay, so next one. Same thing here. We're making x equal to zeros, which is equal to negative half y equal to 1, and then 1 y equal to divided by negative half to the other side, which is equal to negative 2. Okay, so we got y-intercept equal to negative 2, which is here. Okay, and then making 1 over 5x equal to 1. So we got this term is disappeared. 1 over 5x, moving negative 1 to the other side, which is this, x equal to 5. So, which is x equal to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Now we got 1, 2 point. We just connect these two, finished. Okay, it's totally easy, and then you're just making x equal to 0 to find the y-intercept, y equal to 0 to find x-intercept, and then done. Okay, you can use this method all the ways. Even sometimes you have like a complex slope intercept forms or slope point forms, you can still doing this method here. It is very fast and reliable. All right, let's see next question here. Here we go. We determine general equations by given the graph. Okay, now we don't have too much better ideas how to do this one, so we have to just finding the slope point forms or slope intercept forms. There isn't really a good ways. Okay, first things, let's see, the y-intercept is not a whole number. Okay, not a whole number, so slope intercept forms is not a good choice. So only we can do is slope point forms. Let's see slope. X moving to the right by 2, y moving up by 1. So we got 1 over 2 as a slope. Okay, so if you don't know how these things come from, please go back to check the previous tutorials. I talked a lot of these things on the previous tutorials, so I'm not going to repeat here. Okay, we got the slope, we got x minus a point, right? What point we use? We can use this point, this one, here. Okay, so we got y equal to negative 2, right? This point, y value is negative 2, and then x value will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 and negative 2. Okay, so x, bracket, x minus 7, and then y plus 2 going to equal to this. Okay, so y plus 2 equal to half x minus 7. All right, so this is slope point forms, and then we need to make them into into the general forms. So we have to time all the terms to cancel this half. So we got 2y plus 4 equal to, now this term is gone, will be x minus 7. Okay, I need to make sure that x coefficient is positive. That is the one of the properties of the general forms. X coefficient must be positive. Okay, so we have to moving everything else to the other side. So which is we got x, and then we're moving 2y to the other side will be minus 2y, and then moving 4 to the other side will be minus 11 equal to 0. And then we're done. Now that is the general forms. Okay, so if you want to try this one, try this B, you can go ahead to pause the video and then do it. Okay, so you can pause now. All right, so if you pause the videos, good for you. Okay, so I will show you how to do this one. So we can use this point, and then the other point maybe in here. This look like a whole point here. Okay, so and then we can say moving right by 2, moving down by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So which is equal to negative 5 over 2. That's our slope. Okay, and then we're using a point here. We got x-intercept here. X-intercept y equal to 0. So we got y minus equal to something, right? So y x-intercept, which is negative 3. This part is negative 3, 0. Okay, so be y minus 0. This is why I just writing y here. I didn't write anything else because y minus 0. And then x minus what? Minus negative 3, which is x plus 3. Okay, now we need to times 2 all the terms, which is 2y equal to negative 5 x plus 3. Okay, this is one term. Okay, you just times 2 and that's it. Okay, you don't have to time 2 inside here because this is all timed together. You time this entire things on the left hand side equal to 2y, time the entire thing on the right hand side equal to negative 5 x plus 3. Okay, 2y going to equal to negative 5x minus 15. And then be careful, we need to make these things always positive. So we have to moving this thing to the other side, which is equal to 5x plus 2y, and then moving 15 to the other side as well. So it'll be plus 15 is equal to 0. Now that is general forms. Okay, so I hope you understand this. If you like, please subscribe my videos. If you have any questions, please comment below. I will try to answer your question in my next videos. Thank you for watching.